My main challenge starts here. While I am working, he wants to see only mobile. Mobile, mobile, and mobile. यह मेरी हर रेसिपी को देखता रहता है और सीखता रहता है. Hi friends, welcome back. Mornings are always in rush for moms because there are so many things to do in so less time, like cooking, cleaning, okay, making lunch boxes, getting ready for offices, and making your kids ready for school as well. But a planned morning is the key for managing everything at ease. Planning a night before the morning is the savior for me with a 5-year-old kid. My day generally starts in the morning, and this time exceeds when I have something to read or some pending office tasks to complete. Today, I wake up at 4 o'clock and doing my study about the technical stuff that I have to work in office. I'm a software engineer and I have to take some time to update my skill, and mornings are perfect for it. Some days I just read books or just relax with a big glass of warm water or just listen to my little storyteller. प्रभु ने तुम्हारा नींद तोड़ दिया. गधा ऊपर से मारे और चले गए. गधा मारे तुमको? ऊपर सर पे. आ क्यों? क्यों? प्रभु तो तुमको बहुत प्यार करते हैं. लेकिन मुझसे गुस्सा हो गए. क्यों? क्योंकि क्योंकि वो ऑरेंज वाला गधा नहीं लिया ना, इसलिए गुस्सा हो गए. मुझे ऑरेंज वाला गधा लेना चाहिए था लेकिन लिया नहीं. लेकिन बाली बहुत घमंडी था. हाँ, घमंडी तो था. इसलिए राम जी को मारी है और सुग्रीव को बचा रही है, क्योंकि सुग्रीव को घमंडी नहीं था, बाली घमंडी था. अच्छा. सोचता था कि हमें युग में सबसे बलशाली है, इंद्रदेव की तरह. तो राम जी उसको मार दिया. आज का मेनू है बेसन चीला, पुलाव और कर्ड, नट्स प्लस ओट्स इन द इवनिंग. तो अभी मैं बेसन चीला और पुलाव बना लूँगी. बेसन और दही को अभी मिक्स करके इसलिए मैं छोड़ देती हूँ क्योंकि थोड़ा सा अगर फूल गया तो चीले अच्छे बनते हैं. थोड़े फूले फूले सॉफ्ट सॉफ्ट है ना बेबी? हाँ. Am I doing right or wrong? Right. Right. Thank you. Welcome. I also keep some go-to snacks for the day, like sprouts, cucumber, corn, fruits, and many more things that requires for very less effort from my side. I have made pulao with lot of veggie in cooker. Breakfast is ready. Milk is also done, and also I made panna pulp to make work as a chutney, or I can make it as a panna drink. For drink, I will add just salt and jeera powder, and it will be ready. It's 8 o'clock in the morning now, and I am done with the cooking and cleaning. And if I'm done right now, I'm done for a day. I don't have to come to the kitchen in between afternoon to make something. I have snacks, lunch, and breakfast ready. I will just come in dinner, and my day will be sorted. I also have a help for brooming and mopping, and also made a schedule for her for dusting. Along with her, I also dust some of the area that doesn't come under her responsibility. At the same time, I also clean one shelf of kitchen or any other room as per their schedule. Either it is a weekday or the weekends. I cannot take whole day out to clean the home because that is nearly impossible for me. I have a toddler with me. He needs complete attention every day throughout the day, and I don't dedicate that time in cleaning or cooking or my office work. I had to divide my work in cleaning, cooking, and my office work or any other thing. In that way, I manage this time. So while she is grooming and mopping, I also clean some of the stuff so that it's easier for me to clean. I don't have to dedicate some other time. I also have cleaned the dirty containers and keep them for sun dry. In that way, they are bacteria free. One more thing I do as my preparation for a day, I just downloaded some of the worksheet for my son related to his study as per his online classes schedule and give him to just do some worksheet or write something on the worksheet because the kids don't want to write on the whole book but they eager to write on the worksheet. So I just give him some maths logic and also some of the writing work in the worksheet itself so that he will be on the track. Otherwise, he just get lost in all of my busy schedules. So I also gave him to write some of the Hindi letters as well. What is log pressure?
Strawberry.
Strawberry, yes. And what is cucumber?
El pepino.
And what is apple?
La manzana.
Very good. I generally water the plants early in the morning as soon as I woke up, but today I did after my cleaning and cooking. Meanwhile, I'm cleaning. My son had his breakfast and he went out to play with his friends. This is the most missed activity by my son during the COVID, and they were totally frustrated alone in the home. So now I let them play, and I am doing my own stuff. If I don't have to water the plant, I will just look at them, remove the dead leaves, and see their beautiful green color, and that is really pleasing to my eyes.
अरे पहले खेलने चलो देखो तो भाई मम्मी फोटो निकाल के रखा वो बाबा को भेज देगी फिर बाबा को बोलेंगे
आराम से क्या बोला मैंने?
तुम मुझे फोटोग्राफ करते हो ए ऐसे
मारते नहीं मम्मा को।
नो नो बैड डॉग ऐसे मारते नहीं ऐसे बैड
ये एग्रेसिव हनुमान जी है ये।
बहुत ही हाँ अरे मारते भी रहते सबको राक्षस को। और अपनी मम्मी तो मम्मी को कौन मारता है? तुम हनुमान थोड़ी ना मम्मी को मारता है, प्यार करता है मम्मी का। बात सुनता है मम्मी का। सुनो तुम हनुमान हो।
I cannot complete my day without self care, like walking, eating in peace, and some breathing exercises. I have a good walking track where I walk, and also have a little garden where I do the breathing exercise. After that, I take shower and have the good breakfast, the healthy breakfast made by me, and in peace. I don't use any other gadgets or anything else. I just focus on my eating. After breakfast, I just log in for the office, and this time it is 10 o'clock. I just log in and check the mails, check the to-do list, and many more things. And meanwhile, my son is still playing with their friends outside. I let them play for 1 or 2 hours so that they are tired and they can sleep well. Before sleeping, he also went to swimming around 12:30 or in the noon time. Maybe sometimes it's 11:30 also. And at this time, I found swimming pool a bit dirty here, so I requested the guard to just clean up a bit, and my son and his friends can swim in the water. He just a beginner right now, but still he loves to play in the water. I give him a good nap after swimming. I give a good bath and then nap. And here comes my morning routine and afternoon starts. Hope you like all of my videos or this video. If does, just like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It helps me to grow my channel and also me. Thank you so much for watching.